Everyone thinks the best-selling freestanding heavy bag is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. The FITVEN 70 Freestanding Punching Bag caught my attention right away, especially since it comes with high-quality boxing gloves for just $169.99. If you want a solid all-in-one boxing kit for your home workouts, this is worth a serious look. The shock absorption system with dual absorbers and springs means you'll get 360 degrees shock and noise absorption, helping protect your joints while you train. Plus, the base can weigh up to 205 pounds when filled with sand, ensuring it stays put during your most intense sessions. With 4.5 stars from over 6,400 reviews, it has a solid reputation. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's not that bad, and the end result is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to enhance your boxing experience. Skip this one if you want something super lightweight or portable, as it's designed for stability over easy transport. Product number 2, Drypex Freestanding Punching Bag. Next up is the Drypex Freestanding Punching Bag, priced at $127.99. It's another great contender that's equally appealing for home workouts. If you want something that combines quality and affordability, check this one out. What's great about this bag is its 68.9-inch height, making it suitable for adults and boxing beginners alike. This means you can hit hard without worrying about your joints. The rounded ABS base is designed for easy relocation, but it also has 12 strong suction cups to keep it in place. With the same 4.5-star rating from 6,400 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. A few users mentioned that it can wobble if not filled properly. But honestly, if you make sure to fill it with sand, that issue disappears and you'll have a stable bag for your training. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get into boxing or kickboxing without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a bag for outdoor use, as it's best suited for indoor settings. Product number 3, Lecaro Freestanding Punching Bag. Coming in at $129.99, the Lecaro Freestanding Punching Bag with boxing gloves has a sleek black and gold design that stands out. If you want a stylish option that still delivers on performance, this one's for you. Standing 70 inches tall, it's great for both adults and kids, allowing family workouts that target all muscle groups. The heavy-duty boxing bag boasts a 4-layer composite structure, which means it's built to last and handles tough punches and kicks. The advanced shock absorption system promises a quick rebound and 360 degrees vibration damping, which is crucial for protecting yourself while training. With over 1,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's also well received. One downside is that some users found it difficult to assemble. But honestly, most freestanding bags require some setup, and once it's up, you'll appreciate its durability and performance. This is perfect for families looking to engage in fitness together. Skip it if you're an experienced boxer who needs something more professional or heavy-duty. Product number 4, Fuel Puriformance Heavy Bag Stand. Now the Fuel Puriformance Heavy Bag Stand is priced at $149.99. If you're looking for a solid stand to support your heavy bag, this might be your pick. This stand is made from heavy-duty steel tubing, ensuring durability and stability during your workouts. It features a scratch-resistant powder-coated finish and can support heavy bags up to 100 pounds. The weight pegs help increase stability, so you won't have to worry about it tipping over. With a 4.5-star rating from 746 reviews, users appreciate its reliability. However, some users noted that it doesn't come with weights, which can be a hassle if you don't have them at home. Here's the thing though, you can easily use plates or buy some inexpensive weights, making it a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you already have a heavy bag and want a sturdy stand to hold it. Skip this if you're looking for a complete punching bag solution, as it's sold separately. Product number 5, RORALA Punching Bag with Stand. Last but not least is the RORALA punching bag with stand, priced at $101.39. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this one should catch your eye. The RORALA bag stands at 70 inches tall and comes with a pair of boxing gloves. It's designed for a range of users, from teens to adults, making it a versatile choice for family use. The multi-layer construction ensures durability, and the strong suction cups at the base keep it stable during use. It's received a 4.6-star rating from 372 reviews, which is impressive for its price point. Some customers mentioned the delivery took longer than expected due to separate packages. But honestly, this is common with larger items, and the wait is worth it when you see how great it performs. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, but want a solid punching bag to enhance your fitness routine. Skip this if you're looking for something premium, as it focuses on value over high-end features. So there you have it, 5 fantastic freestanding heavy bags to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly option, something stylish, or a solid stand, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely and happy training.